During that time, the training was taken by Mr. Avi Sarkar. Okay, बाकी अच्छा शांतनु के तो चलो.
Okay, so I'll just start with the concept of this open pharmacy which we have here. এটা এই জন্য করা হয়েছে যাতে যখন আমাদের এখানে কনসালটেশন চলছে, we have this thinking.
Arpita, English.
We have this thinking that all the patients should have a one-way entry. Like they should come here, they should get the consultation done, get the prescriptions written out from here, and get the medicines as well, and then leave. We don't want the patients to go elsewhere. As of now, you can see it's all Paulson's products. You are familiar with all these products. But later, in another few days, we'll be having products of all the other companies, so that whenever a particular patient is prescribed any medicine, be it anything, we are going to have a stock of it, and that patient we need not go anywhere else for the same thing. So I'll just show you one of the chambers of the doctors. You can give us a better view of like your opinion about how it is, your feedback. These are the clinical chambers. Now saying like suppose someone has got a vitiligo, got eczema, such cases.
Clinical dermatology.
Clinical dermatology. Because of that, we have the bed also with it, and we also have the basin, and we have two such chambers. The one where Mr. Paul is sitting, that chamber, and this particular chamber. These are the two clinical chambers. Okay.
Okay. This is a chair.
So what will be common choice? Iced tea, hot tea, or hot tea?
Okay. Would you like to see that?
Yes. Come sure.
Not so early.
This is going to be these are the specific doctors set up the same thing without the bed. Now, the entire clinic is run on a software, which is the entire clinic is like computerized. It is run on a particular software where the patients come in, they register. We have taken their details into the software, and when the doctor comes here, all they have to do is that put in their ID and password. They see whatever the patient history is. Even the prescriptions are written on the computer also. So we have a record of everything that the doctor has prescribed, or the medical history of the patient. Even the patient comes back 6 months later, or even a year or 2-3 years later, we will be able to have the full history. She or he need not carry their old prescriptions. We have two such rooms. One more is here. This is one more room. And in this room we have done access from this room. This is our first procedure room. In this procedure room we have a Puba chamber. You can come in from that side also. You all aware of Puba chambers? This is a whole body phototherapy unit. The whole body phototherapy unit. And in this we take care of eczema, vitiligo. And apart from this, we also have mesotherapy, mesogun, and we also have the Reviderm dermabrasion, microdermabrasion. The peels, the fillers, all of it is done in this room. This is the biggest room of all.
How many patients you have put on this Puba?
Puba? There are at least 10 patients as of now.
They enrolled.
At a time.
No, not at a time. 10 patients enrolled. 10 patients are enrolled. 10 people dead. Even if there was room. The next room we have is one of our first laser rooms. This is the IPL Quantum Luminous. I'm sure you've all heard of the name Luminous. It is the best that is there in terms of laser and the light system. In the IPL we have 4 headsets, in the sense that it is a multi-platform. We can treat fine hair with this, we can treat melasma with this, we can treat spider veins with this, we can treat freckles, we can also treat port wine stain. So this is something which is like a multi-performer. There are 4 hand pieces and 6 total hand pieces. It runs.
Is it a fractional laser?
No, this is not a fraction. This is an intense pulse light system. IPL Quantum.
Intense pulse
Light system.
For fat removal also this instrument is used, no?
No.
That is also IPL.
No, that is not IPL. For fat removal it not. And this clinic we do not encourage fat removal. That is mesotherapy is done for fat removal. But in this place, though we have the machine also here, but we do not encourage fat removal because it has other side effects. Plus, we do not want to be in comparisons with VLCC.
This is different segment.
Unwanted hair removal is done by this machine only?
Yes.
Unwanted hair removal also.
Unwanted hair, fine hair. But for hair, this is the best machine that is there. Like people nowadays, they use Nd:YAG. But this is, it has been proven that diode is better than Nd:YAG as a laser. If you just put it. This is again luminous product. This is the light shear diode laser. It is for unwanted hair, 4 to 6 sittings, and permanent reduction takes place. We've had cases of hirsutism also coming in here who've been using this particular laser. This is extremely good and high end. Plus, if you could see, during a particular service, the laser lights that come out, they're supposed to be very hot. So everyone continuously, they have to put ice on it. But this particular tip, this is a chill tip which comes with it only. This particular chill tip ensures that, you know, apart from that, you might give ice, but it is not actually required. Once you touch it, it's very cold. Now only if you touch it, it's not on. The machine is not on. If you touch it now only, you can see how cold it is. If I start the machine, then it would be even more cold. It will be like it is a minus 3-4 degrees. It's like that.
It's very much wanted.
We have beard shaping also.
He is the
Beard shaping also.
So you have an expression.
Yeah, this is the.
You are going to pay for it, no?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, fine.
This is the most expensive laser in the entire India. We have only 6 of such lasers, including this. Eastern India, this is the first time. Ultra Pulse CO2 fractional. Now, CO2 fractional lasers are many, but this Ultra Pulse technology is only patented by Luminous. This Ultra Pulse comes with deep effects. That means it goes deep into the skin without being ablative. It also has active effects, which is on the superficial layer, and it also has total effects. And this particular technology is patented by Luminous. No other company in the world can create this machine with this particular technology. And this is the first time in Eastern India that we have this machine. This is for complete scar treatment, be it accidental scar, be it a surgical scar, be it burn scar. Especially for burn scar, it has excellent results. The company recommends 1 sitting. We recommend 1 to 2 sittings because, you know, with the doctors that we have, they don't have a very good idea of this, how to use. We've been giving them particular trainings. So the first session is obviously a little superficial. The next session, they go actually. This alone starts with the particular session. They start with 25,000 per session. Because you can understand a lifelong scar will just go off in a session or 2. Plus, also we have also considered the people who come from not so well-to-do background, like a girl, let's say, who has got terrible burn scar. It's a social stigma. We also have to, being in Parsons, we take up such causes, so we make sure that we are giving it, on a very petty charge of 5,000 rupees instead of 25,000 rupees, right? Then we have the back office, then the changing room, washroom, and this particular place we do test it. This is the conference room or the training room. This is where all the doctors get trained. We get trained when people come over. This is the little, so we don't have a projector here with direct connection with the TV.
Means when the procedure is going on there, it can be shown here.
No, not that, but it's just that instead of projector, we have a television connection.
Live demonstration will be shown?
Live demonstration in this case, you mean from here to there?
Yeah.
No, we cannot do that without the patient permission.
Unethical
That would
practice.
be unethical. Apart from this, we also have skin and hair analyzers, so that proper diagnostics could be made.